We are in apartment 374. This is the Caspian floor plan. It's a 1-bedroom, and we just walked in. So directly to your left is a coat closet, and it is lit, and it has an outlet, which is super nice. And then to the left of your entry is your laundry place. So you have storage above, and then your full-size washer and dryer here. It also has your utility items in here, but lots of great space to do your laundry. Okay, and then we walk directly into your beautiful kitchen. So as you can see, there's a ton of cabinet space. We are missing the black hardware, so that will be on the cabinets. But you do have this great island where you can fit bar stools, and they will tuck nicely because it does have an overhang here underneath. And then you have your double door refrigerator, those stainless appliances. And then here in your island is where your microwave will go. And let's take a look at that. Again, a great kitchen. And then here is your living space. And then this one has this great covered terrace. So this one, like I said, most of them aren't covered, but this one is. It's got a lot of space out here, so you can definitely fit a bistro table and some chairs. So really good space. All right. So let's check out the bathroom. So it's right off the kitchen here. And you walk in and you have this great counter space. And then in here, you do have extra storage too for your linens. And then here is your tiled shower. It goes all the way to the ceiling there. That will have a glass door. You can see it from this angle too. Great size bathroom. All right, let's check out the bedroom. So right around the corner here. So this one's got a cool angle. So if you like angles, this one's fun. So you do have the ceiling fan in here. And then, like I said, it's got some nooks and crannies that are pretty cool. So if you do have your bed and stuff in here, you could actually potentially fit a cute desk over here for working if you'd like, or just extra storage for work papers and all of that. And then you have this great California walk-in closet. So it's fully customizable. You can move around all the shelving how you'd like it. And it is lit, which is super nice. All right, let's check out the kitchen one more time.